Hi, friends. Miss Amber here, and I want to do a fun project with you today. I'm going to show you how you can make a rain cloud in a cup. The very first thing you need is a cup of water. The next thing you need is some shaving cream. And you can take the cup of water and you can put the shaving cream on the top. Put it all over the top. Keep going. All right. Now, here's our rain cloud in our cup. And then to show you how rain comes from the clouds and starts raining and what happens, I'm going to use a pipette, or at home you can use a medicine dropper. Just make sure your mommies and daddies clean it out. And I'm going to take this pipette and I am going to squirt water on top of our rain cloud. And if we look really close as we keep squirting the water in, and raining down into the cup. So we know that rain comes out of the clouds when the clouds get super full. And do we see the rain is coming down from the clouds? My blue water is the rain. This is a super fun activity and it's great for our pincher skills. We can pinch and let the water come up into the pipette and pinch it down in. And this is also a great experiment for your child to do, to use their observation skills, to talk about how the clouds form our rain. Thanks for joining me.